Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox not loading into games on your Android device. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Roblox games require a strong connection to load properly. Next, restart your device. Sometimes simply rebooting your phone can clear up minor issues that prevent games from loading. If the issue persists, clear the app's cache by going to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage, Clear Data, Clear Cache. This can help resolve any corrupted data causing the game to fail to load. Another option is to update Roblox to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and tap Update if an update is available. Finally, try reinstalling the app if none of the above steps work. Uninstall Roblox, restart your phone, and then reinstall it from the Play Store. And that's it. You've now fixed Roblox not loading into games on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.